Which phrasal verb means to cancel something? Options: A. Give up. B. Take off. C. Call off. D. Look for. The correct answer is C. Call off. Call off is commonly used to mean cancelling an event or arrangement. What does the phrasal verb put off mean? Options: A. To postpone. B. To remove. C. To fix. D. To discover. The correct answer is A. To postpone. Put off refers to delaying or postponing something. Identify the correct usage of run into in a sentence. Options: A. I will run into my homework later. B. She ran into an old friend at the store. C. He runs into the meeting every day. D. They are running into the problem soon. The correct answer is B. She ran into an old friend at the store. Run into means to unexpectedly meet someone. Choose the correct phrasal verb for the sentence. The meeting was blank because no one showed up. Options: A. Called off. B. Called in. C. Called up. D. Called out. The correct answer is A. Called off. Called off indicates that the meeting was cancelled. Which of the following is a synonym for look after? Options: A. Ignore. B. Care for. C. Leave behind. D. Put down. The correct answer is B. Care for. Look after means to take care of someone or something. In the sentence, please do not blank the problem. We need to solve it now. Which phrasal verb fits? Options: A. Look over. B. Talk down. C. Put off. D. Turn down. The correct answer is C. Put off. Put off indicates delaying the resolution of a problem. What does give up mean in the context of trying to achieve something? Options: A. To surrender. B. To continue. C. To start. D. To learn. The correct answer is A. To surrender. Give up means to stop trying to do something because it is too difficult. Which phrasal verb means to increase in volume or intensity? Options: A. Turn down. B. Turn up. C. Give in. D. Break down. The correct answer is B. Turn up. Turn up means to increase the volume or intensity of something. Choose the sentence that correctly uses take off. Options: A. She will take off the lights at night. B. The plane will take off at noon. C. He takes off his shoes in the morning. D. They are taking off the meeting schedule. The correct answer is B. The plane will take off at noon. Take off is used when referring to an aircraft leaving the ground. Identify the phrasal verb that means to reduce something. Options: A. Bring down. B. Look into. C. Go on. D. Set up. The correct answer is A. Bring down. Bring down is used to indicate lowering or reducing something.